Right, so it's Thursday night. We're just going to pick some of the team up and we're heading down to Highgate for the launch of the Inspiring Your Home shop. So we do loads of work with these guys. They do curtains and blinds, and we're about to launch a huge company with them for 2024. So stay tuned. We're going to take you guys to the shop launch and show you what's going on.
Thank you all very much for coming. We've worked really hard to get it where it is today. We're going into flooring. The new company is called Flooring Your Home. We've got 3 companies that are merging into one, so we've got some great experience. I know a little bit about carpets from many years ago. Harry knows about flooring. And then you've got Lewis, who's a traditional wood flooring fitter. So you've got 3 companies coming together.
So that's us all finished here at the shop launch. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and check us out on future videos.